Yeah, Poppy, look, your balls.
Admittedly, I've been a bit too frugal of a dog owner, so for the longest time when my pup has been staying with me, she has been eating out of one of these plastic takeout bowls. But now that she's staying with me a lot more often, I decided to pick up these brand new stainless steel bowls from Amazon. I picked this set of bowls specifically because they were advertised as having this really strong non-slip grip. And the biggest problem we've had with using plastic takeout bowls is that whenever she eats from them, they slide around everywhere because there's no firm base. So now that we've just finished our walk, we're going to go ahead and feed her and see if the bottom works and if the bowls are not going to slide around anymore when she's eating.
Are you ready? Awesome, looks like these work really well. You can kind of see the residue on my floor from where the plastic bowl would usually slide around, along with her just being a messy eater and putting the food on the floor sometimes, but staying perfectly in place as she is devouring this meal.
And there we go. These bowls work exactly as described. My dog has already finished devouring her meal in a few minutes, and I'm going to be filling this one up with water shortly because I did not realize that she was going to finish eating so fast with the bowl not sliding around. So if you're looking for a set of affordable, high-quality bowls for your dog that has a really strong non-slip padding that will really stop the bowls from sliding around while they eat, pick up a set for yourself today. You're going to be set, and your pet's going to be happy.